Hi everyone, I'm Devin Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and this is Elliot. And we are back today with another fairy tale foods, where we talk about a fairy tale or a folk tale and make a fun recipe from that story. Do you know what we're making today? What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? We are going to make...
What?
What is this?
That.
It's not a vegetable you see a lot, right? It is...
I don't know.
We're going to be telling the story of the giant turnip.
Yeah, that's turnip.
That's a turnip. And then we're going to make some very easy, simple roasted turnips. One day, a man saw a giant, huge, enormous turnip that had grown, and it was in the ground, and he wanted to pull it out so they could have it for dinner. So he pulled and he pulled and he pulled, and he couldn't get the turnip out.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We've got all these helpers. So now you're going to help me, okay? So you hold on to me, and I'll hold on to the turnip, and we'll both pull and try to pull it out, right? Pull! We can't do it! We need someone else to help. Who's going to help us next?
Dad.
I'm sure Dad would love to help, but should Aries help us?
Yep.
Okay, so Aries is going to hold on to you.
I'll get my helmet off while I pull.
Okay, we'll hold on to each other and we'll pull! We still can't do it! We still can't do it!
Well, I'm really big. I'm strong.
Who's going to help us now?
Now it's the panda.
Okay, so Aries can keep helping us, and me, and you, and the panda. We're all gonna pull! Oh, we can't do it. Who's gonna help us now?
The kitty cat.
The orange cat? Okay, so we're all gonna hold on to each other and pull! We can't do it!
Now
Who's next?
Now the black cat.
Oh yeah, little black cat. Okay, here we go. Pull! We can't do it! Maybe if we have one more helper, we can.
Dog. I think the dog can.
That's a big dog. I bet he can help us. Oh, we're pulling, and we did it!
I'm stronger. I can whip any big fruit or vegetable. I'm strong.
We did it!
Hercules is with Aries is really strong. Hercules and Aries are really strong.
So now that we have our turnip, that means we can eat it now, right? Yep. So I've already got 3 other turnips here that we've peeled and cut. And now we're going to peel and cut this one to add. And here, will you hold up this book and show the kids so I can talk about this book real quick while I'm peeling it? This book is awesome, and you can find it at the library. You can put it on hold and check it out from us. It's called Fairy Tale Feast, and it's by Jane Yolen, and it's a compilation she did where she, like we're doing in these videos, found a bunch of different stories from around the world.
Hey, I should put my helmet back
and put
on.
really cool recipes to go with them that kids can make. And the stories are in there and the recipes. You've got everything you need to tell cool stories and make tasty recipes. The recipe she has for turnips in there is actually a mashed turnip recipe where you make them like you're making mashed potatoes.
Whoa,
But we are making roasted turnips.
Oh, I can't hold it. I can't hold this big book.
You can't hold it? I bet Hercules is strong enough to, not Hercules, you have me calling him Hercules now. Aries is strong enough to hold it.
He's really strong. But first, I can't carry this book without my helmet off. Okay, now I can carry it.
And there's still plenty of time to read all your stories and participate in the library's summer reading program.
Whoa!
So you would get super cool prizes just for reading books, and you get prizes for 5 hours, 15 hours, and 30 hours. So Elliot and I have already started, because there's prizes for grown-ups too. And of course, cool prizes for kids.
The panda, or the kitty cat, or the dog, or this orange cat can't lift this big giant book.
It can't? Okay, what are we going to use now? Do you know what this is? We've got some olive oil. We're just going to pour some olive oil over, and this is actually one of my favorite ways to cook a lot of vegetables like broccoli and asparagus is just to put some olive oil on there and some kosher salt and some pepper.
Mom,
It's really
I don't
tasty.
want to wear it though. I don't want to wear my crown anymore.
Okay, that's fine. And we're gonna do a little pepper, and then for this recipe, we're gonna add a little bit of.
Onions are not my thing. Mom, now you can hold this book.
Oh, thank you for showing everyone that book. So I put a little pepper on there, and we're gonna do a little bit of oregano. Yum, yum, yum. And then I'm just gonna toss it for a second, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven for about 25 minutes. And we'll check it a couple times and give it a stir so they'll get all roasty. So we'll see you in a second, okay? Okay, we're back. We roasted our tasty turnips for about 25 minutes at 425 degrees. And I just stirred it once in the middle so they get roasty on all sides. They look pretty good, I think. This is a good option if you're trying to cut carbs or if you're just trying to introduce kids to a fun new vegetable, which is what I'm really going for here. Are you gonna try it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, this is very exciting. Okay, they just came out of the ovens. They're a little hot. Let's see. So, this is exciting. Baby's first turnip. Let's see. Okay. Let me see, I'm gonna try a bite too, so we can experience this together.
I love it.
You love it? Oh my goodness, I'm so glad. Let me see what all the fuss is about. It is really good.
I love this. Yeah, I can eat this for a whole day.
You can eat it for a whole day, that's right. We need these over and over again. Well, good. Well, thanks for helping me make these tasty turnips. And thank you guys for hanging out with us and watching our video. And
Mom, another turnip, please.
another turnip? You got it, kid. We've got turnips for days. Okay. You guys have a fun day. Thanks for hanging out with us. Dream Team!